In today's video, we're tackling a common issue: no camera or microphone access on unsupported Mac OS for apps like Zoom, Teams, Chrome, WhatsApp, and Elmedia Player. If you're running into problems with these apps not accessing your camera or mic, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and get those issues sorted out. First things first, let's check if the issue is related to your Mac settings. We'll start by making sure that your Mac OS is up to date. Sometimes an outdated operating system can cause compatibility issues. Click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen and select System Preferences. In System Preferences, click on Software Update. If there is an update available, follow the prompts to install it. Restart your Mac after the update. Again, click on the Apple logo and go to System Preferences. Select Privacy and Security, then click on Camera in the sidebar. Ensure that apps you're having trouble with, like Zoom, Teams, and WhatsApp, are allowed to access your camera. If they're unchecked, check them to grant permission. Next, click on Microphone in the sidebar and do the same for microphone permissions. If your apps are still not working, there could be a problem with the app itself or a conflict with other software. So, uninstall the problematic app by dragging it from the applications folder to the trash. Then go to the app's official website or the Mac App Store and download the latest version. Sometimes apps have updates that fix compatibility issues. With the app and check for updates through its settings. Another step is to reset your app settings. Open the app and look for an option to reset settings or preferences. This can often be found in the App Settings or Preferences menu. And that's it. If you followed these steps and are still experiencing issues, it might be time to contact Apple support or the support team for the specific app. Sometimes a technical issue might require more specialized assistance. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you.